Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to link a YouTube video via a Shorts video on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, access to an account for YouTube, as well as a video and a Shorts video that has been uploaded to your account. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to YouTube Studio. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to Content. And then navigate to Shorts. On channel content, let us now click on a video that is scheduled for uploading. Details, and then we have a related video. Let's click on this. And so, as we know, the title of this Shorts video is how to upload a video to YouTube using a Mac. Let's go to related video. Let's then locate a video that has some relevancy to that Shorts video. Here we have how to upload a YouTube video on the Mac. So that itself is now interlinked one another. Click on save. So now let's just say an individual comes across your video through YouTube Shorts. They can then click on the related video to still be on the platform, still be on your channel, which is what YouTube prefer. So let's go back one. Let's now quit Safari. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.